Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and in this video we are going to learn how to add a timeline to our site using the Elementor Timeline Widget add-on plugin and the Elementor Page Builder. To do that, we need to go over to the left where it says Plugins. We are going to click on Add New, and on the plugin search bar we are going to type Timeline, and this is the one we are going to use, the Elementor Timeline Widget add-on. It will allow us to add a widget to use to create the timeline. So we need to click on Install, then on Activate. And now we are going to the top name of the site and we are going to click on Visit Site. There we go. Now we are going to the top and click on Edit with Elementor. There we go. Now we are going to go to the widget search bar and we are going to type timeline, and this is the one we are going to use, the story timeline widget. So we are going to click with the left mouse button, hold, drag and release on the open section. Now we have a few options for the contents. We have layout settings, and we create our storyline on both sides. It says here one-sided like this, or we could use a horizontal timeline. So now we are going to use the horizontal for this example. We can select the slides to show, could be 2, 1, 3 or more. So we are going to use 3, and we can select to make the slides equal height, yes or no. In this case they are the same size, so it's not going to be noticeable. So we are going to go with a yes, and for the autoplay we can use true or false. So we are going to move to the timeline stories, which is content like this one. So we're going to go for the first. We have content. We can change the primary label, which is this one right here. We can change the sub-label, which is this one right here. The timeline story title, which is this one. The image, and we can change here the description of the timeline. This can do some as well for the others in the same manner. We also have the extra settings, and we can select to show the middle line label, which is this one. As you can see, it shows the date. I'm sorry, it's this one right here, label text, and it shows the date. In this case, we can select the size of the icon. We can change it on the icon library, which is this one right here. We have a few sizes. We can use a custom size, and we have a few options for the pro version. So we are going to move to the advanced settings, and it's for the pro version and the features that are on the pro version. So we are going to move to style, and here we can change the color of the title to whatever we want. The color of the typography, this here is the title, sorry. The typography of the title, family, size, weight, transform, style, decoration, right hand, and letter spacing. The primary label, we can change it as well. Now this one, change the typography in the same manner. The color of the description, the typography, the middle line, we can give it a color, but in this case we are going to leave it clean. And for the icon, we can change it as well, the background color, as you can see, and the story background, but in this case I think the clear looks excellent. And for the extra settings, we can change the size of the icons, add some padding. We can add a global padding or give it a value to each size, EPX, percentage, and EM. And we can select to show or hide the border, but in this case it will not show on the horizontal layer, but in the one side. As you can see, it has a border right there. Then we can activate or deactivate. Once we have made all the changes we want to our timeline, we need to save them by going to the lower left and clicking on the update button. So that's it. We have learned how to add a timeline to our site using the Elementor page builder and the Elementor timeline widget add-on plugin in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might have on the site. See you the next time on Polytech.